In this video, I'll show you how to add additional fonts in AutoCAD so you can use more text styles in your drawings. First, download the font you want from a trusted website such as Google Fonts or another reliable font library. If the font is downloaded as a zip file, extract it before continuing. Next, open the extracted folder, double-click the font file, and click the Install button to add it to your Windows fonts. Once the installation is complete, close AutoCAD if it's already running, then reopen the program so it can detect the newly installed font. After AutoCAD starts, create new text or select existing text, then open the font list in the Text Style or Properties panel. You should now see the new font available for use in your drawings. If the font doesn't appear, verify that it was installed correctly and restart AutoCAD again. Adding custom fonts is a great way to improve the appearance of titles, annotations, and project documentation while giving your drawings a more professional look. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AutoCAD tutorials, and thanks for watching.